like from scratch, really. I have to get a new bolt right here because this thing's just. And the wheels are right there. My brother, when we brought it back from Arizona, he threw the tire and it hit another tire and it broke the sprocket. So, I mean, we still have the piece. So then it's like you like glue it on. So we're either gonna get that or get like a bicycle sprocket. And then I'm gonna put this weed whacker motor on it. I know it's nothing really, just a weed whacker motor. Unless I get a different motor. And then that's my Nova that I'm working on. Um, it was my mom's. She crashed it in those ditches. A small ditch. She crashed it, and I'm just trying to refix it so then I have it when I get my license. But the only problem with this is that motor doesn't fit in here. So we have to cut one of these brackets off right here, and right here, maybe over here, because it's just too big. Okay, so yeah, and then that's the chain guard. Yeah, that's pretty much it.